Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the gold mesh band chronograph date rewards watch. So inside the box you have this little packet that's a rewards sticker exclusive to your watch, one cleaning cloth, one international guarantee card that's exclusive to your watch as well. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel guys. That's your instruction manual in different languages, and this is your English instruction manual. This is a reward branded tag that comes with your watch. You could put this tag on your clothes or on a keychain, however you'd like. And this is the gold mesh band rewards watch guys. It comes with a link tool as well, so you can adjust your band on your reward watch. That's all that is left in the box. A lot of protective padding. As you can see, the 3 chronograph dials. It has a round face. In the side you have 2 chronograph buttons. You have your normal time adjuster button that also adjusts your date. There's a date on this watch as well, and both of the buttons work with your chronograph. Those are not dummy buttons, hence why this is a very exclusive watch. As you can see, the gold mesh band stands out and is very exclusive. The watch has a good weight to it as well. It is, compared to other watches, quite heavy. The band is adjustable, so let's try it on and see how it looks. It does have a white dial face, so you simply slot on the bracket to the link on the other end, lock in the clasp, and you pull over the cover. They've made an extra cover there so that your watch does not fall off. That looks very smart and very elegant guys. It's very comfortable on my hand. It looks very smart with the white dial face, and as I've said, this is a chronograph watch.